Let's talk about a simple story. It's about a glass of water, but it holds this incredible secret to finding a little bit of peace in our crazy, noisy world. So it all starts with this one guy who was given a really simple task. Just carry a glass of water. And that one simple act, believe it or not, completely changed everything for him. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. How on earth can a glass of water change someone's life? It sounds a little nuts, right? Well, that's kind of the whole secret. Okay, so let's get into it. First, you've got to meet Marco. He's 24 years old, and he's basically a prisoner inside his own mind. I mean, his brain just will not shut off. He's constantly bouncing between cringing at stuff he did in the past and getting all anxious about what might happen tomorrow. It's left him completely drained, just exhausted and restless. He can't sleep, and honestly, he's forgotten how to even smile. And that's the perfect way to put it. His mind wasn't just busy, it was a full-blown storm. Just chaos, no calm, no quiet. All turmoil all the time.
So he's desperate, and he hears about this wise old man who used to be some famous psychologist, but now lives this super simple life out in a quiet village. Marco thinks, maybe this guy can fix me, and he sets off on this long journey to find him.
All right, so Marco finally finds the wise man, but the cure he's offered, well, it is definitely not what he was expecting. See, the old man doesn't give him some deep philosophical lecture or any comforting words. Instead, he gives Marco a very specific, very physical challenge. He just hands Marco a glass of water filled right up to the brim and tells him to walk to the edge of the village and back. The catch? He can't spill a single drop. Absolute precision was the name of the game. And you have to picture this road. It wasn't some peaceful country lane. It was narrow, it was crowded, people were yelling, shopkeepers were calling out, dogs were barking. I mean, it was pure chaos. Basically, the perfect storm of distractions. But here's the incredible part. Amidst all that noise, Marco's focus was absolute. He didn't even notice the people or hear the dogs. His entire world just shrank down to that one glass of water. And this, right here, is the big aha moment. Marco comes back, he succeeded, not a drop spilled. And the old man doesn't even say, hey, good job. Instead, he reveals the real point of the whole exercise. He just starts by asking a really simple question about the world Marco just walks through. And then another one, just trying to see if any of that chaos actually got through to him. And Marco's answer, this is the whole secret. He says, no. I didn't see anything. I didn't hear anything. I was only focusing on the glass. For that whole walk, his mind was totally quiet.
So, do you see what happened? By pouring all of his focus into that one glass, Marco accidentally stepped into the present moment. And in that moment, there was just no room for the storm. No past to regret, no future to fear. There was only right now.
Now, this isn't just a nice little story. It's actually a practical guide for any of us who feel like our minds are running a million miles an hour. It's about finding your own glass of water. And this is why it matters so much. We spend all this time looking for peace out there, in a new job, a new relationship, whatever. But this story shows us that real peace, it's already inside us. It's just waiting for us to show up and be present. And you can try this, right now. Just pick a simple task. It could be making coffee, washing a few dishes, or even just walking to your car. And for those few minutes, give it everything you'd got. Feel the warm water on your hands, smell the coffee, feel your feet hit the ground. When you do that, you'll feel it, that same quiet that Marco found. Seriously, remember this. This is a tool you can pull out anytime your mind feels like a storm. It's a way to find instant calm. Just remember the glass of water. So I'll just leave you with this one thought. What simple thing can you give all your focus to today just to bring yourself back to the peace of this present moment? What is your glass of water?